The Australian economy is collapsing like a house of cards right now. The only thing going up is house prices. But what did this bloke have to do with it? What did Kevin 07 do that made everything go to shit? Construction industry in Australia is just a barometer of how bad things are. And it's dragging down the entire economy of the country with it. Productivity across the country fell 2.1% in 23-24, the worst in half a century. And what happened here? Like this part where Labor got elected and everything just fell off a fucking cliff. What was that?
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
And the construction industry is at the heart of the collapse. On site, builders are bleeding money and time. Projects are blowing out by months, way past deadlines, and trades are just getting nothing done because of endless layers of paperwork and pointless compliance. Costs continue to explode. Back in the 80s, there was productivity, and it was growing at 2.5%. Builders could actually build. You didn't need 3 site managers and a spreadsheet army to move a fucking wheelbarrow. We've got the same number of workers, more tech, better gear, yet we're producing less. It takes longer, and we have to charge way more. Politicians talk nation building while burying the industry in red tape, then pretend to be shocked when there's a housing shortage. We can't get building sites running like they should be again. You can forget about hitting housing targets. The average Aussie will never own a home, and you can blame 20 years of failed political leadership in this country for that. I can blame Labor till the cows come home for the latest round of disasters, and you can't deny it. But if you have a look back here, what happened in 2007? Kevin 07. Fuck, that's where it all began to fucking collapse. When the economy started to tank after Kevin was elected because of the GFC, all they did was implemented a huge round of government employed jobs to try and stimulate the economy and pumped a bunch of money in. Productivity collapsed because we layered in multiple levels of bureaucracy to try and get anything done to make the employment numbers look good so that Labor could get re-elected. That's how the government operates. They don't give a fuck about productivity. It means nothing to them. They only care about the employment numbers. And if they've got to print a bunch of money and employ a bunch of fucking bureaucrats to try and run the country to make the numbers look good, they will fucking do that, and they will sacrifice you and your economy and your small business on the altar of their own re-election. Both sides of politics played their part in creating this fucking disaster, and unfortunately they aren't going to be able to solve it. At the August Productivity Roundtable, all you're going to see is increases in taxes and more compliance in red tape, as well as millions more low-skilled, low English-speaking migrants to make it even harder for people at the bottom of the ladder to get ahead in life. Australia's middle class is being hollowed out by a destruction in manufacturing and an obsession with home ownership in Australia to try and keep up with the amount of people we're bringing in and building homes for them. The fact is, Australia's lost its aspirational edge, and we've lost our ability to get up and fight, and things have fallen over really quickly now. It was always a slow decline, and then it's gone parabolic. People eventually work out that the snake oil salesman is just a charlatan selling them bullshit, dreams, and absolute garbage. That's what's about to happen in the Australian economy. You're being sold garbage, and you will work this out by this time next year when things are completely fucked.
Snake oil for sale. The best snake oil you can get. This will fix your productivity, it'll fix your L's, fix your ills, make you feel really good, get the economy back on track. Snake oil, buy snake oil here now. Snake oil for sale. It's on cheap, it's on special.